Snapshot has a really powerful code quality report that's based on PMD, static code analysis. And over here at left, you'll see all your classes and triggers. And when you click on one, you'll see the PMD static code analysis issues here in the center. And if you look into those, you'll see all of the actual issues and problems in your Apex class over here at right. Now, one of the things you can do is you can check as many boxes as you want. And when you go to the Display Report tab, you'll get an absolutely beautiful report on all of your classes and triggers, which you can export in any format, including dashboards and summary tables. But what I really want to show you is what we can do with AI and PMD static analysis. So first of all, you might say, hey, this report right here, these issues are kind of complex. What does that really mean? Well, you can right-click it and explain the report table. And this happens everywhere in Snapshot if you see a report you want to know more about. And what you can do then is just submit the prompt, and you get an absolutely beautiful response here that tells you everything that you need to know about those issues in PMD. And of course, you can ask a follow-up question and conduct a conversation with AI about those particular issues. Now, you also might be interested in what's the deal over here with your Apex class at right. Well, anytime you're working with an asset in Snapshot, you can right-click and explain the asset, and it will start a conversation about that particular asset. But what's really cool with PMD is to bring up the editing palette, which has the quality improvement button. And if you click that, you'll see your Apex class over here at left, and the code quality issues are over here. You can look through all of those and see they not only have an issue description and example code, they tell AI how to correct the issue. And so all you really have to do is click the submit button, and we get a beautiful rewritten class over here at right. And if we go back to the main interface, then all of my issues are gone. The other thing you can do is check multiple boxes here and do the multiple improvements button. That'll correct any number of classes at the same time. But since I did that, you may notice there's a deploy button down here. And if you click that, it brings up our state-of-the-art deployment tools. We can immediately see here's the new class at left and the old class at right, and you can go through all of those changes and be sure that you want to deploy that metadata. Click the deploy button, and just like that, we've done the deployment. But you might say, hey, wait a second, we have a release management process. I just can't haul off and start deploying stuff every time I want. That's a good point. And that's why in this particular case, I didn't deploy this to an org. I deployed this to a Salesforce DX project. And so what we can do right here is open the local project folder, and you can see right here in the classes folder, all of my Apex classes have been saved. There's the one I just changed. It's now ready for the deployment process at some future date.